Today, the U.S. Supreme Court took on two cases challenging states that bar transgender athletes from sports teams that align with their gender identities.
As Linder reports, one of them involves a student from West Virginia.
For the first time, the country's top court took on the contentious issue of bans against transgender athletes from sports teams. The Supreme Court heard arguments challenging laws out of West Virginia and Idaho that require public school and collegiate sports teams be designated based on biological sex at birth and limit transgender girls and women from competing on teams that align with their gender identity. Specifically in West Virginia, 15-year-old Becky Pepper Jackson claims her state's ban is discriminatory, violates her rights under Title IX and the 14th Amendment Equal Protection Clause. The Idaho case is solely focused on the latter.
A sport is something that everybody should have the opportunity to do if they want.
Both states argue their bans are about biology and establishing an even playing field. The lower courts favor the plaintiffs, who say the laws discriminate based on sex and transgender status.
In the Title IX context, where it acknowledges merely inherent biological differences, that's not discrimination, that's a distinction. And I think that's consistent with this court's longstanding understanding of what discrimination means. It looks to differential treatment of similarly situated individuals.
I don't think the purpose of Title IX is to have an accurate definition of sex. I think the purpose is to make sure that sex isn't being used to discriminate by denying opportunities.
During the arguments, the justices contested the scientific evidence on whether those who have transitioned have a competitive advantage. And they also debated on the definition of Title IX, which has protected sex-based discrimination in school sports for 50 years.
Given that half the states are allowing it, allowing transgender girls and women to participate, about half are not. Why would we, at this point, just the role of this court, jump in and try to constitutionalize a rule for the whole country while there's still, as you say, uncertainty and debate?
Currently, 27 states have laws restricting transgender students from participating in sports. The Supreme Court is expected to rule on these cases by the early summer. For now, reporting live from the newsroom, Linder, KDKA-TV News.